Alright, so today we're going to go over how to find which file or folder is in a hanging or locked state. Most of the time the scenarios that I encounter is either a file or folder is being used by another software program or service, whatever, what have you, and it's locked, so it's not allowing you to move it or delete it or do any modifications to it properly. Um, so there's a way to programmatically remove it as well through PowerShell, which I can do in another video. But most of the time, in my case, in the scenarios that I encounter, I find it easier to just go inside the server and do what I'm about to show you to find out what process that is or whatever is hanging or is locked, and then be able to close or end that process. So the first thing we'll do is give a sample case. So we have this folder over here, a new text document. Unfortunately, I have Windows Home Edition on this computer, so the option to actually lock it is unavailable because Windows is just strange like that. So I can't actually give you the same exact scenario that might pop up like in the image before, but you get the idea. We'll have something open over here, and we want to find out on this directory, users Joe desktop repo, new text document. We want to be able to find this process and then close it. So what we do is we go to Windows, you can type in resource monitor. It's going to pop this up. Over here, you want to make sure it'll probably be an overview. You can go to CPU. As you can see here too, you can see all the other processes that are running in the background. You can go to CPU and then you can type in this case, we want to type in this path and search it, give it a few to search it up. And it'll show you all the information such as the path that it's running, the handle name, the process ID. Once it finds it, it's as simple as ending the process. So we see that we have Explorer. We have two Explorers. Probably one of them is this, and I think I have another one open in another window. And then we have the notepad itself. So say that this is the hanging file or folder that's causing you issues. You can just right click on it and process. It'll let you know, if any other programs are associated with this, it will close, lose any unsaved data, that's fine, and process, and look at that, closes it. So that's how you unlock or get yourself unstuck from that scenario. The use cases I usually have is I'm deploying on-prem, and something that might be used for like a SQL database or some other file will be locked for whatever reason. Can't delete it. I have to go inside the server and do this, and it usually solves a problem. And again, there's a way to do it through PowerShell as well, which I can cover in another video if you guys want. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Stay healthy. Stay safe.